Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kazım Moridi and I'm going to teach you about Dart language. In this part, we are going to just introduce what is Dart and we are going to talk about it completely over this playlist. First of all, what is Dart? Dart is a language that is created by Google in order to use it to develop beautiful apps. We use the Dart language to develop apps for Flutter, which supports platforms such as Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, Linux, and web. Dart language is free and an open source language, which means we can view its source code as we wish and even contribute to its code. This language supports new features such as null safety, so we use it to escape the errors such as null pointer exception. It also supports object-oriented program in order to boost our time, in order to boost our productivity in the coding. We can use Dart to make backend and front-end web application as we wish. Flutter code or Dart code can be compiled to either the native language such as Kotlin or Swift, or even use we can it will compile to JavaScript directly. So because of that, the whole thing such as developing new applications and or web application or Windows application cannot be easier than it is right now. So if you want to learn how to create applications, if you want to learn Dart language, please follow this playlist, and if you like my videos, please consider sharing these videos to your friends who want to learn Flutter or Dart language. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please consider leaving a like or a comment. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.